Welcome friends. In this video we are going to discuss about global variable. How global variable works, how to declare global variable, and where we using global variable to give you actual result. What is the main importance point we have to using global variable? If you take as a general case, global variable is mostly passing the data from one file to another file, or one block of code to another block of code. Okay, it helps you, but it is very risky. If you passing anything as a global without protection, it will going to be um, crack or hacked by any other persons, or unknown persons. But inside the instructions you have to using global variable, how you declare that global variable, how it global variable helps you to take the data, a value, a variable, to print the result. So let's see through practical work. See here we have two ways we are declare. One is the normal case. Outside the function we are declare the global variable. Then inside the function, if you use as a global as keyword, it will helps you to make that variable as a global. Okay, make that variable as a global if you giving as a keyword global. Fine. Now let's start with practical work. So I am going to create a new file, global underscore variable dot py. Here I will generally create one variable x equal to welcome to Python, that is a string type, and here I am declare one function def print, one function fine, and here print x. Okay, how to call that function? On below there is a calling part, not small letter, beginning letters will be the capital, small letter is the inbuilt print function. So many questions comes out in your mind. What is def, what is function? Okay, it comes out upcoming videos, but now we only remember some minimalistic points like def is the keyword, def is the keyword for declaring the function, and the print is the function name followed by bracket then colon. If you learn after C++, Java, the function declaration is different on C++, Java, but in Python function declaration is different. If you beginning from the Python, here you remember that this is the syntax to function declaration, or you come out from different languages from to this particular Python language, then it is going to be, remember, this is the proper format to declare the function in a Python. So here x is equal to welcome to Python, it is the global variable x, and it is the type is a string, and it is going to be print inside the function, and I am going to be print x inside the function. What will be the result? See, welcome to Python. When I am going to assign another variable x, like same variable inside the function, I write here inside the function. Fine. Then what will the result? Any guess? It will print inside the function. It will print welcome to Python. Write down on comment box. I go through it. Inside the function, because x is the local variable here, and inside the function x is the first priority to print that value. Okay, so if there is no x inside the function, it takes as a global. It takes as a global. You have to remember these points, what I am going to telling you through this video. You remember these points. X is declared inside the, or going to be print inside the function. If we are not going to declare any local variable which are already give declaration as a global variable, then local variable is going, global variable is going to be print. Otherwise, if there is a local variable, then local variable is having higher priority than global variable. Fine. So then another way. So you have to remember this thing, how the global variable is going to be work in this situation and in this point. There is another way you have to use global variable, like I will give you as a x equal to global variable, then def print 2, because same name you can't redeclare another time. Global is the keyword, and here you have to define as a x is the global keyword, then going to be print x. Fine. Yes, inside the function it's first going to be print, but x is the global variable is not showing you. Why? Because we are not going to be calling that function, that's why. Fine, we have to going to call that function print. Now you have to run the code and see global variable, because x is now behaves as a global by help of the global keyword, by help of the global keyword. Okay, and x is defined forcefully, you are the global. And before, inside before code, before instruction, there is not defined as a x is the global. Here I am declaring one outside the function which is used entire program, inside the function another variable which is defined as a local. Okay, within the function it's called as a local, outside the function is called as a global. But within the function, if you want to declare that same variable as a global, you have to use global keyword. You have to use global keyword. This is the basic differences between global keyword and global declaration of any variable. If you understood, if you have any doubt, go through comment box, type it there and make sense. You have to practice all these things. If you are not going to practice all these things, it is very difficult to remember on the project, and it is very difficult to remember, and it is very difficult to do on the practical work also or project work also. Fine, that's it. If you have any doubt, go through the comment section and or go through my WhatsApp group. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Click on the bell icon. In future, when I am going to upload any video, you see notifications on your mobile or any laptop, on your login, on your YouTube channel also. Thank you.